My name is Benjamin Poulose, and I'm one of the general surgeons here at Ohio State. My specialty is in gallbladder surgery and abdominal core health. I decided to go into medicine mainly because I really wanted to find a way to have a positive impact on people's lives. It was really important to find a way where I can interact with patients. I really love talking to people and getting to know their stories. I really enjoy being able to take that information and my training to help patients get better. I like to approach my patients from a very holistic standpoint. It's not just about your disease and the reason why you're here to see our team. I really believe in taking care of you as a person. You are here seeing us for a particular problem, but we can't think so simply that it's the only problem you're dealing with at home. What I like to do when I see patients and recommend treatments is to consider you as a whole person. It might or might not involve an operation. We'll determine what option is best for you together. Taking care of your specific problem is important, but this should be considered as part of your overall health.